Took a walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah.
Thank you. Have a seat. Kyle, Jalen, Kyle. Jalen, you play nice. I'll be right back.
What's going on, little man? I see you got your game skills down, Pack. You might have your hands full once I pick up the controller.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Eastern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Northern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists and trained weather spotters were tracking a severe thunderstorm producing multiple funnel clouds and a rotating wall cloud 2 miles north of Belmont, and National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated strong rotation with this storm, and it was moving east-northeast at 45 miles per hour. This storm has a high chance of producing a tornado. Locations impacted by the tornadic thunderstorm include the following areas: Belmont, Mount Holly, Woodford Green, Mountain Island Lake, Charlotte North Side, Huntersville, Highland Creek, and Mallard Creek with road downs. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 485 between mile markers 9 and 32, Interstate 85 between mile markers 24 and 52, Interstate 77 between mile marks 11 and 24. Take cover now. If no basement is available, move into an interior room on the lowest level of a sturdy building away from windows. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. A tornado may already be on the ground. Please relay all reports to your local law enforcement agency. Your report will be relayed to the National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg.
Come on, Bobby, we can do this, man. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. It's in my mouth! Now that was a bachelor party.
For drivers who want to get the most out of their cars, it's Bridgestone.